This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 48 by 90 unit. Then I will extrude it to 30 unit, and then I will use the shell features. And here this dimension, if we want to see, we are not seeing that, but if we see here this portion, the total dimension is 22 and inner dimension is 10. So this dimension is 6 unit, and also we can see this portion, the total dimension is 15 unit and inner dimension is 9 units. So this dimension is 6 unit. So we will use the shell features of 6 unit. Okay, so I am selecting the top plane here. Now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle and place the center rectangle here, and now dimension it to 90 by 48 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss, and now extrude boss it to 30 unit. So I'm extrude bossing it to 30 unit. Okay, we have drawn the block. So now using the shell feature, so select the shell feature and select the parameter, this to be 6 unit, and select this face and mark the show preview option for a better view. Now select this face also and now rotate and select this face. Now here press OK. So we have gotten our shape. So after that, we can see in our drawing from the top plane. Okay, in the top plane we can see we have a circular profile, and this circular profile semicircle has a radius of 15 unit, and it has the extrude boss of 42 unit from the top plane. So after that, drawing that, I will draw another circular profile here, and this inner circular extrude cut circular profile has a radius of 9 unit. Then I will use the extrude cut option. Okay, so I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the circle for drawing the semicircle. So I'm selecting the circle, so placing the circle to the center here, and now dimensioning it to 15 radius. So it will be 15 multiplied by 2, so 30 diameter. Okay, now press OK. For drawing this, making it a semicircle, I will select this line and use the convert entities to convert the line. So now select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary line we don't need. So we have drawn the semicircle here. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 42 unit. Now press OK. So after that, now it's time for doing the extrude cut circle. So select this upper face, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the circle tool again and place the circle to the previous center, and now dimension it to 9 radius. So the diameter will be 9 multiplied by 2. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Okay, now press OK. So we have done the extrude cut circle. Now we can see we have another 2 circular cut here and here. So for drawing this circular cut, I will select this face, and after selecting this face, I will draw a circle, and this circle has a dimension of 18 diameter, and from this line to this line it has a dimension of 45 unit, and from this upper line to here center it has a dimension of 13 unit. Then I will use the extrude cut through all to extrude cut this portion. Okay, so I am selecting this face, now sketch, now normal to it, now select the circle here and place the circle here and draw a circle of 18 diameter. Okay, after drawing that circle, I am selecting the smart dimension option from here and select this circle and this line, and the distance will be 45 unit. Okay, we have drawn the distance of 45 unit. Now I can select this circle and this upper line and dimension it to 13 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to, so select this arrow and extend it. Now press OK. So we have drawn that extrude cut circle. Okay, now it's time for drawing this rectangular shape. For drawing this rectangular shape, first of all I will draw a center line here, and this center line will be dimension of 27 unit. Then I will use the offset entities to draw a offset of this line. Okay, and this distance will be 22 units, so the half distance of the offset will be 22 divided by 2, so it will be 11 unit in both sides. Okay, so after that I will trim all the unnecessary part, then I will get a shape like this one. Okay, after getting that shape, I can see that the total distance is 22 unit, then the inner distance is 10 unit. So if we calculate, we can see that this distance will be 6 unit. So after that I will use the, and again I will use the offset increase to offset this inner line of 6 unit offset. Then I will close the shape, and after that we can see this line. Okay, and the height of here is, as the total height is 30 unit, and we already drawn this 6 unit height, so the height will be this 30 unit minus this 6 unit and minus this upper portion 6 unit. Okay, so let me demonstrate. So I am selecting this inner face, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, now select the center line here and place the center line here and draw a dimension of 27 unit. So after that, select the offset entities and select this line, and I will offset it to 22 divided by 2 unit. Okay, now select the bidirectional, now select cap int, now select line, now press OK. So after that, select the trim option, and I will trim all the unnecessary part that we don't need. So we have gotten this shape. After that we will use again the offset increase. Okay, so after using offset increase again, select this line, and this time the dimension will be we can see 22 minus 10 divided by 2 unit, so it will be 6 unit. So uncheck the bidirectional. Okay, reverse the here, now press OK. So we have gotten our shape. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. It's time for extrude boss. For extrude bossing this portion, we'll use the total dimension is 30 unit, and we need to minus the lower 6 unit dimension and the upper 6 unit dimension. Okay, so it will be 18 unit. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.